Hello everyone, hope you all are good and welcome to you all to your computer class of class 3rd. Students, in the previous video we have completed lesson number 1. So in this video we will do the lesson number 2. All of you students take out your book, open lesson 2. The name of your chapter is Computer Software. In this chapter you will learn about the meaning of software, types of software and functions of software. Student, in the previous chapter I told you about the software. Software are used to operate the computer. Software are program used to operate the computer, or software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Now open page number 13. Computer software. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Software makes the hardware parts work. We cannot see and touch software. For example, a mobile phone is a hardware, but the SMS feature of the phone is a software. See, students, these are the software picture. Microsoft Windows XP, Microsoft Word, and Media Player are the software. And software, we cannot touch the software, but we can work with the software, right? See the example, a mobile phone is a hardware but the SMS feature of the phone is software. Mobile phone क्या है? Hardware है. If you touch the mobile phone and you touch the screen, not to touch the software, okay? Not to touch the SMS feature. आप मोबाइल टच कर रहे हो, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर टच कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी मोबाइल स्क्रीन टच हो रही है, ना कि सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके. There are two types of software: application software and system software. What is application software? For example, you have an AquaGuard at your home. What does it do? It does only one task. आपके हाउस में, आपके घर पर एक्वागार्ड है. एक्वागार्ड क्या वर्क करता है? It filter the water, right? Similarly, the application software help you in doing specific work. इसी तरह एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर अपना स्पेसिफिक टास्क करता है, स्पेसिफिक वर्क करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू कैन नॉट पेंट यूजिंग द कैलकुलेटर प्रोग्राम, एज कैलकुलेट कैन डू ओनली अर्थमेटिक कैलकुलेशन. कैलकुलेटर का क्या काम है? कैलकुलेटर का काम है कैलकुलेट करना, वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना, ना कि पेंट करना. ओके. लुक एट सम एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर: पेंट, calculator, solitaire, window media player, notepad. These application software has some specific tasks, specific work. Next, system software. System software: as your mother controls and manages different tasks at home, similarly system software control and manages the overall activities of a computer system. जैसे आपकी मदर आपके हाउस को, घर को कंट्रोल करती है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टास्क परफॉर्म करती है, राइट? ऐसे ही सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर की एक्टिविटीज़ को, ओवरऑल एक्टिविटीज़ को कंट्रोल करता है, मैनेज करता है. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर रन दी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. Operating system like Windows 7 example of system software. These are the example of system software. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 are the system software. Windows in your computer is an operating system. Without system software, the computer is like a man without a brain. विंडोज़ जो होती है आपके कंप्यूटर में, वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होती है. अगर आपकी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं होगा तो कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क नहीं करेगा. ओके. नाउ क्विक रिकैप, रिवाइज द टॉपिक. Software is a set of instruction. There are two types of software: application software and system software. System software control the overall activities of the computer, and application software help us in doing some specific work. Computer manners. While doing practice in computer lab, if we forget something, we should always ask our teacher about it. If we forget something, if we don't know what we have to do in computer, you can ask your computer teacher. Okay. Words to remember. This is your homework. Okay. Short notes. short notes. Only three are there: software, system software, and application software. Next, answer the following question. Students, take out your notebook, write the question number 1. What do you mean by software? Answer: software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Right, question number 2. What is application software? Answer: application software does some specific work only. Application software does some specific work only. Third, what is system software? System software is the manager of the computer system. System software is the manager of the computer system. Fourth question, write the difference between application software and system software. Answer is: application software does some specific work only, while system software controls the overall activities of computer. Application software does some specific work only, while system software controls the overall activities of computer. Last question, give an example each of application software and system software. Example of application software is Paint, and example of system software Windows 7. These 5 answers you have to write in your notebook. Okay, students? Now, coming to the page number 16, do the book work in book multiple choice question B part. Tick the right option. The Paint program is an example of software, CPU, hardware. Software, A option. Write in the blank also. Second, software is a set of programs, softbones. Software is a set of programs, A. Third, to multiply two numbers, you use the dash program, Paint, WordPad, calculator. Fourth, Windows is an operating system. Windows is an operating system. Next, fill in the blanks. First, hardware and software help the computer to work. Hardware and software help the computer to work. Second, dash is a set of program or instruction, software. Third, there are two types of software, application software and second, system software. Application software and system software. Fourth, system software is like a manager. System software is like a manager. Okay, students, these are the work you have to complete it, and your unit test chapter will come lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, and our first UT syllabus is completed. You all have to complete your work and learn also. Okay, students, thank you.